Oh, am I live now? I think I am. Alright, good connection. Mike is here. Okay, the only thing I need to figure out now is my problem now is that these things are making noises. Let me bring the mic closer to me. The only problem is that apparently in the video, when scanners make noises, right? And let me double check that the mic is okay. Yeah, the mic's okay. The only issue is that these things make noise, and that noise is then played on the video. However, I need the noise because it kind of lets me know what's popping. I need to find a way to filter this into not being heard on the video. I don't know how to do that. But that's just something I have to figure out. Right now, I'm writing my to-do list for the day, and then we'll get started on my paper trading until my offshore bank account is approved so I can trade on margin. Alright, things that I gotta do today. Alright, let's get started. Double check, everything okay, camera's okay, mic is okay, streaming is live. Check my YouTube, and we're live. Okay, nobody's watching. That's fine. I doubt anybody's awake at this time anyways. Alright, we could eliminate these lines from yesterday. Move drawing, clear drawing set. Alright, where were we? Alright, so first leading gap on the day, hour. We have it. High of day 5.77. Here on my secondary chart, I have my profit target set at 6.25. And that's because I was on the weekly chart or something. So we're just going to write 6.25, edit properties. Profit targets, I draw them yellow, right? And we're going to extend this to the left. And then my next one, obviously, we're going to do a little line at 6.5. And then 7 50-cent marks can also act as resistance. So we're going to keep that in mind. Now, hour doesn't have... Okay, so there's a Fed meeting today. Let's see. U.S. stocks look to set open Tuesday's trading session modestly lower as the Federal Reserve begins its two-day May policy meeting, and ahead of U.S. factory order data scheduled to be released later in the morning. The Dow Jones Industrial Average futures were down 0.25%. S&P 500 futures were off 0.22%, and Nasdaq futures were slipping 0.08%. Oil prices were also moving lower, with front-month global benchmarks, Brent crude and West Texas Intermediate crude falling 0.54 and 0.62% respectively. In other world markets, Japan and Nikkei closed 0.12, and okay. So apparently it's a Fed meeting. What does that have to do with anything? Let's see. Fed meeting. Fed meeting May 2. Let's see, what is that? Markets expect the Federal Reserve to hike rates 0.25% at their upcoming May 3rd interest rate decision. Okay. It's probably going to tweak the interest rate. Well, we already knew they were going to do that anyway, so really does it really make a difference? I don't think so. Alright, we're good. I mean, I don't know what I'm saying. What I just saw, what up? What? No, we're gonna see how the price reacts here. I'm expecting a bunch of buyers to be hitting the bid around this area, try to get in at this cheaper price. As we see here, the VWAP holds constant, and since here is strong, so we're gonna see how this reacts and whether the buyers can push that price up. Of course, there's no news for this stock really. People are talking about LXEH. Okay, I like this. So we had a resistance right here. Let's scan the daily chart, see anything that we can find. Wait, what's going on? Oh, okay. Let me draw a line here. This is our pre-market high. It's broken. We now have a new pre-market high here at 1.44. Gonna draw my line here and create a zone. I like that. That seems nice. No, wait. That should be more accurate. Create a zone to go here. No, that's better. That's better. Extend this to the left. Extend this to the left right here. Let's get rid of this VWAP here. I don't really like it when it's in on the day chart. Nothing really is kind of in telling me there's no really clear spot of, let's say, entry, so I'm not gonna really have that. Okay, so we see here I'm gonna change my good to close to extended hours. All right, we see the volume picking up. Do I want to enter at a good entry? I'm still trying to decide what that is. Okay, I'm gonna wait to see how this price has now reacted with this new jump. All right, let's see. There's nothing clear to me yet. I'm gonna buy 100 shares. Oh, well, I guess it didn't get filled. And again, it didn't get filled. Why would have just stopped that out anyways? But this is actually annoying because I don't know why this is getting filled. Alright. What I was gonna do was I entered my order on 1.5. I was gonna have my stop loss probably at the high of this level right here, so it'd be what is that, a 5 cent stop. Already came up here as 10 cents off the bat. That's already a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. I don't know why this isn't working. What if I hit the ask right there? So look. That's weird. Maybe good to close. No. Maybe extended hours. No. It's more the fact that I'm trading on paper trading, so that's why you see the zeros here as well. And why that level 2 looks so weird. And it's cold. I'm gonna put a jacket on. If you would have told me when I was a kid that I'd be doing this shit, it's kind of funny. You see, it's going up. It's going up. I see the flag in motion. I see it happen. I can't get in because this is being difficult. Well, I just put 1,000 in just to buy. I don't get why it's being so difficult. It's not letting me buy the shares. It's not letting me. I don't know. Maybe I put on day. I don't know. I've been trying to buy since I was at 1.4. Because I had the feeling, and even if it stopped, I would have had a tight stop. So it's not like my stop would have been right here, anyways. So that would have been a good play. And I'm gonna pretend I had that shares, and I'm gonna sell right there. Boom. That was bummy. That was pretty bummy. I'm gonna search that up. Why does my paper trading not work pre-market? Think or swim. Well, you guys also have to. Okay, so what you have to understand is that this was a 1 minute play, meaning that stop was supposed to be tight. On the other hand, if we're gonna do a 5 minute play, as in like I'm looking at this chart, I want to buy here, then the stop is gonna be much longer. The play is gonna take much longer. It's gonna be much more patient on every aspect of the trade. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, either way, the market's about to open in 7 minutes. Just make sure everything on my broadcast is good. Yeah, so the market's about to open in 7 minutes. Could have made something happen. Oh, beautiful flag right here. That's a beautiful flag. I'm gonna try to get in somewhere there. Maybe join the bid. Let's see. I'm trying to get in there. Trying to make something happen. I like this flag. Having a support level right here. Falls through below that, I'll just cancel my orders. Next level is 2. Okay. It's holding. If it does it like that, where it's like super quick before I even catch it, that just shows that there's support there. If, however, it was coming down and the stock was kind of hanging below it for a while, then yeah, I would have cut that off. See if it hits my orders. For the sake of today, let's say it hit my order. Hit my order. Now, game plan is to sell at 2. So I'm at 1.89 right now, 1.94. I'm gonna sell one position. Okay. One position right there, so let 2. I'm gonna hold this next position. Of course, this is just, I'm not even paper trading. This is all in my head right now. So I'm holding on to this position, which I had bought here, and we are gonna hold, and we're gonna see how it reacts at this yellow profit target level. Let's see how it reacts. If it reaches 2.2, I'll exit for the profit. Mental, not even paper trading profit, mental profit. A lot of green on the tape. I like what I'm seeing. Now I got a block of red. 2.17. And we are cutting it there. Boom. And just like that. That was a great fucking play. Great fucking play. Analyzing this flag. Analyzing the support there. That was a great play. That was a great practice play. That was great. I handled that very well. I'm very proud of myself for doing it that way. So now that that's done, yeah, I mean now we're just gonna keep it on watch. Now we're just gonna keep that on watch. We are going to close this. We probably won't need this. We probably won't be needing that. I do have a lot of lines here, so let's start by eliminating some lines. Let's eliminate that. That should be good. That's all I need. And the market's about to open in in 2 minutes. But that was a good game plan. I'm actually very happy with how so far I haven't had to stop out yet. But when the moment arises, I'm ready. Now the market's about to open, so let's switch this today. Let's see what everybody's talking into this chat. I have my scanners on right here. $9.29. Ready to get the party started. $20 seconds to market open. $5 seconds to market open. All right, let's get this started. I typically don't trade the first 5 minutes market open. unless it's something that's very convincing me to do so. Okay, the bid is stacking. It's most likely about to get halted right here. And it got halted. Surprised it got halted so quick. So LXEH is already halted straight out of the gate. LXEH has a float of 3.3 million. Today's volume is roughly 2 times that. Relative volume today is 81,000 times. That means that, how do I say it? LXEH is trading volume is 81,000 times its normal quantity, which is absolutely fucking insane. Now its average true range 0.15. Right now it only has a range of 0. Only interquartile range of 0.15. That is fine. LXCH. Do we have any news again on this stock? No. Volume today 2,400 times. Today's range. Gap, average true range, interquartile range, dollar volume, float. Okay. Looking for the break of pre-market highs. Yeah, I think that's going to be the game plan here. LXCH resumption time is at 9:35. LXCH resumption time is at 9:35. LXCH might be one of those stocks that halts like every time it opens, so might even be untradeable today. But if it does work out, we do see a clear pattern. LXEH is our day trade stock today, or how do we call it? Alpha stock, but well. In the meantime, we have until 9:35. We have 2 minutes. Let's check out some other stocks in our leading gappers, which we're on our watch list. We have Hour first of all. Okay. Hour's reacting well. Let's see if we can identify a game plan for Hour. So we have the high at 5.77, potential profit target at 6. However, I think that this could also be a profit target if we have some sort of resistance here. Realistically speaking, I'd like to see it go over 5 before I take a trade, showing me that there's something legit there and that we're not going to get reversed right here. All right, what's next? What was next? Wafu, was it? Not really liking the stock. My other one was GDC. Nope. Turks, I believe it was Turks. Same thing with Turks. I mean, also has no news, but I mean, you can work around it. But I'd rather trade the best stock of the day. Alright, so Hour is apparently all over the place. I have to be very careful trading on Fed days because I need to know when they announce. I actually need to find that out because I need to find that out. Hour's getting flopped right there, so we're gonna keep it cool, keep it Q. Alright, Alright, it's 9:35. LXEH should be resumed any second now, so we're gonna keep divert our attention here. Game plan, profit target. Next, I'm guessing we're just gonna call it. I'm gonna call it 2.5, and then at 3. That's what I'm gonna say. And we're gonna see how it now reacts with these new levels. Okay. All right, resumption is in 58 seconds. I'm gonna grab a sip of water. Resumption, 30 seconds. Resumption, 10 seconds. Okay. Let's see what we got. Could it be a 10-minute halt? It could be. That could be a case. I wouldn't be surprised if it is.